Hi everyone, my name is Hyunjung. I'm a partner engineer based in Seoul, Korea. Have you ever heard Kia Motors provide an owner's manual app instead of paper book? Kia Motors is one of the top global automobile manufacturers. Kia Motors built AI and AR-based owner's manual app to enhance the user experience. Today, I'd like to share this innovative and interesting customer success story. Let's imagine when you purchase a new car, you'll be really excited when your car is delivered. There is one important thing you will get with your car. Guess what is it? Yes, it's an owner's manual. It contains every information about your new car, but normally it's very thick and just like a dictionary. So sometimes it's hard to find something you need. You don't need to read it all, but definitely you need it. Do you want to turn on the radio or need a Bluetooth connection to your phone? Yes, you can find those information in the owner's menu. How about when you see an alert sign on your dashboard? Do you think you can find what it means easily in an owner's menu? It's not that easy and it will take some time to find it. Let's imagine something cool like this. Just like an app on the screen. How nice if you have an app, it can recognize component automatically, then it pops up the manual you want. Why not? We can imagine anything. Of course, if you have Google Cloud AI technology, absolutely you can make it. Kia Motors realized this with Google Cloud AI technology, like the picture on the right side. The app will recognize component images and symbols precisely and find the right information for you. But if you have ever experienced machine learning project, you probably know that it's not that easy and recognize all the images and symbols of every car. We had those difficulties too. So we need collaboration between Google Cloud, Megazone, our partner, and Kia Motors. Google Cloud provides a cutting-edge AI technology to develop and train MMRs for this app. We tested and verified various algorithms using TensorFlow and also achieved high recognition accuracy by using AutoML. For the mobile app environment, we utilized Firebase ML kit. All the training was done on AI platform, a serverless product of Google Cloud, so we test and train the model in a cost-effective way. Megazone, our partner, built its machine learning management solution for this project. With this solution, Megazone could save a lot of time dramatically in making image dataset extraction and processing. With Google Cloud AI technology and partners' development capability and Kia Motors together, we could quickly develop this amazing app. You know what? The app is already launched in over 130 countries and in 30 languages. So, global users now use this app. Do you want to hear more about this? Please welcome Aston Martin's SVP and Head of Global Brand and Customer Experience from Kia Motors. Please listen to his story. Thank you, Aston. Over to you.
Thank you, Young and hi, good morning or good afternoon, everyone. I hope they are all safe and well. It's great to be part of this event with most of the innovative minds that we have, and to be here today to showcase our experience. You know, as you can imagine, for our brand, the most important component is our product and the experiences that we are able to build with our products and our consumers. As Ye Young mentioned, The owner's manual comes with all the cars that we sell. So in Kia, we have provided so far more than 43 million units of this book in 17 languages like Korean, English, French, Chinese, and so on. The owner's manual is really important because it helps consumers to understand their cars, ensuring safety driving and providing the right information on how to operate it. As you might know, we have more and more technology being applied in the products, in our products. So it's really more complex nowadays for consumers to be able to use the cars. However, for the consumers, this book it's super inconvenient. Just imagine, it's difficult to understand, it's super thick, it's heavy to carry, and finally you need to know exactly the name, the specificity of the name that have to search for in the manual in order to be able to find it. Imagine this example, the TPMS, that means Tire Pressure Monitoring System. And if you don't know this, you'll never be able to find it. According to a customer satisfaction survey done in 2019 by JD Power, round about 45% of US consumers believe that the explanation that our dealers give about our cars is not enough. And 40% of them, in reality, they prefer self-learning when they are trying to understand the functions and the features of the vehicles. And in reality, they don't want the book. They want to use a tablet, they want to use a smartphone-based technology. Makes more sense, right? In order to address this consumer need, what we have done in 2017, we have introduced the Owner's Manual app for our customers. In important markets such as North America, China, Korea, and in order to provide a better experience to our customers about our products. We have applied augmented reality technology where the users can simply scan a switch symbol in the car with a smartphone camera, and instantly they will receive a video that is introducing the name and also the detailed functions of that specific feature. So it makes much easier and convenient for consumers to understand our products. However, this app is based on AR technology, which require to know exact location information of the specific features, and it makes it very difficult to expand globally to all the regions and to all the models that we have because it requires a lot of database storage and constant updates and efforts on our backend. Besides, the database after develop, it's very difficult to reuse to other models. In order to solve this, we have partnered together with Google, applying its AI platform-based image learning model in our Owner's Manual app. The Google Cloud AI technology allows to detect objects throughout symbol recognition within the cars, which we can standardize in each vehicle. Also, with this technology, it's much easier to gather a large number of data sets needed to conduct the machine learning and for training the model. Then we have used the Google Firebase as a solution to distribute our trained model to the apps of our users all over the world. With Google Cloud AI and Firebase, Kia has launched the world's first AI owner manual app in global models like the Celtos, the K5, and the Sorento, which now is being recognized today here as an innovative application of the Google technology. At Kia, we continuously work to improve our customer experience by introducing AI systems-based technology. Mainly with the current pandemic situation, it is dramatically increased the requests and the needs of our customers for intact customer service. In order to address this, we are working to provide AI-based chatbot in various customer touchpoints, as for example our global website, but also unmanned test drive services throughout voice AI. And now let me demonstrate the functionalities of our AI own manual. Please have a look at this short video.
Information touches your life and every journey you make. It is essential for everything you do today. Sometimes you need help figuring out what information is important. Now there's a new way to understand the features of your Kia. Everything important about your vehicle is on your phone with a Kia Owner's Manual app. It's easy for you to know every feature of your vehicle. A built-in scanner uses AI to recognize the symbols on the buttons and other controls and show how-to videos. Just point your phone at a symbol and the app will display helpful information about it. There's also a search option to learn about features when you're away from your vehicle. A warning indicator might turn on while you're driving. That's okay. The app explains every warning indicator so you know what to do. Your safety is always our priority. Even if you are offline, you have complete access to the feature and safety information in the Digital Owner's Manual. It's easy to search for the information you're interested in. You have many great journeys ahead in your Kia vehicle. Now you can enjoy every moment knowing you're always taken care of. So be happy and stay safe with a Kia Owner's Manual app.
At the end, it's all about consumers and consumers' experience. Like Steve Jobs used to say, we start with a customer need and then we work backwards towards the technology that we should use in order to build that experience to our customers. At Kia, we want to make sure that our brand experience with our customers is as meaningful and convenient as possible. And as shared today with great innovative partners together, we can make this happen. Thank you so much for attending. Thank you.